Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to your phone settings. Now here on phone settings, you want to scroll down until you find the apps. So once you tap on apps, go to manage apps or apps management. And then you just need to wait for seconds here until it loads all the application. And then we're going to use the search box at the top. And we're going to type right here Monopoly Go to find that app. So tap on that. And then here you just need to tap on the storage. And once you tap on that, tap on clear data. And here you just need to clear cache on Monopoly Go. Once you've done clear cache on Monopoly Go, you can go back and restart your phone and reopen your Monopoly Go app. And it should be fixed the issue. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.